Hello guys, this is Ashwani Verma. Today's date is 14th January 2021 and I'm making this video as you uh, as you saw this thumbnail some kind of a what to do. I'm just getting stuck in my life and all that. So I have not made thumbnail yet. I'm gonna make it. So let's start with this video. Um, Actually, this video is all about my life right now, what I'm currently going through, and this video is the documentation of my life. It is a part of my documentation. So I'm not getting, uh, I'm not getting uh, what to do right now. Um, I'm very confused how to document my life because in somewhere inside my heart, I want to build a personal brand. But I'm currently doing web designing, right? But if I put out content related to web designing, then I would build a personal brand in web designing. I'm not sure I would build it, but if I put content, I'm gonna it will be for sure that I will some kind of a personal brand in web designing. So, and that's not what I want. I want to build personal brand as a generic, you know, around my life, what I'm doing, what I'm very confused. I'm very confused. Actually, Actually, I also want to try copywriting Facebook ads, but Facebook ads requires a budget, but I don't have a budget. Okay, I don't have money right now. And that is why I started this web designing so that I could earn some money and then invest that money into Facebook ad and try a lot of things like copywriting, Facebook ads, because even if I get failed in those field or in those areas, I should have a backup plan, or I should have a plan to fall forward on. Just like if I fail in Facebook ad in and copywriting, I have the ability to create website for people. I'm very confused right now what to do. I'm just sitting right now. I landed my first ever client on 19th December 2020, and till now 14th of Jan 2021 I'm very confused. He gave me three project. First project got cancelled. I'm working on second. I'm working on second project. I'm working on second project. That project is very big for my client, so he want a website fully functional, fully ekdam sleek website, an e-commerce website. And I am just a brand new bee in website creation. I just know a little bit about WordPress, and he want me to build excellent website. So this is a very big chance as well as a big opportunity and a big problem for me, which I have to overcome right now. I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting anything right now. What to do, what not to do. Uh, Today, yesterday I had a call with my client, and my client said today, today he will be talking about third project that he have for me. And today he's supposed to give all the details about third project so that I could start the third project and complete that, and got get paid, of course, right? Because I want money. I'm not money minded, but I want money to run my life. I want money to do the things that I want to do actually, or that I'm thinking to do. Okay, I'm very confused right now what to do, because the things are not going in a right way in web designing, because first our client had given me so much of work, and I'm ready to do those work, hard work. I'm putting my hard work 200%. Actually I'm putting 200%, but but I'm not earning. I think so the biggest mistake I've done that, you know, not approaching to another client and working for the same client, and that is why he delaying me. I'm not saying that he's delaying me for you know uh, uh, deliberately. No, of course not. But I'm not earning right now. Yeah, I'm not earning. I don't know what to do. I'm thinking to start a podcast. I have a podcast, The Ashwini Verma Life. I have a podcast. I have this YouTube channel. I want to grow this YouTube channel. I want to document my life. I don't know how. I want to build my personal brand uh, 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 on my life. Let's forget about personal brand. I want to document myself. I don't know how to document. There are a lot of things that that should be documented, but I'm very confused right now. What to do, what not to do, and I am unable to prioritize all those things. I have taken an uh, free course of 30 days digital marketing where that lady, or who is teaching us, if teaching us copywriting, teaching us email marketing and all those things. Shreya Pattar is putting so much effort, uh, and I you know and I left that challenge, freelancing sprint from scratch challenge. I left that challenge in a halfway because I was working with my first ever client, and I will resume that channel the day when I go for second client. And I'm very confused what to do, what not to do. I'm very, very, very confused. Even I confused what to say right now. What to say right now? I'm very confused right now because there are a lot of things inside my mind, inside my heart that needs to be put out in this video or in some other form of video or audio, but I'm unable to speak all those things because my thought, as Digital Pratik says, my thought is running at the speed of light, but my word is coming at the speed of sound. And I'm just you know I'm just it feel like there are a lot of things above my head. It feel like there are a lot of things above my head and putting so much pressure on me. And because I want to do this copywriting, I want to do Facebook ad, I want to do this and that, but I also want to earn. I also want cash flow, and that is why I'm doing freelancing, not freelancing, that is why I'm doing web designing. But I'm stuck in my process of doing web designing. I'm stuck with it. I'm not progressing. One website takes hardly 1 or 2 weeks to create a normal website, but I'm unable right now. If third project is going good, I'm going to be earning. I know in this January I will earn some amount of money. Even if I receive advance 5,000 rupees for my second project, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy because I was because I don't know how to make a website, an e-commerce website the client want me to make. So how could I be happy if I don't know how to make his website? I'm very frustrated. I'm very not frustrated, I'm very confused right now because I want to build something which is called documentation of my life, but don't know how to start, what to say, what not, no, not to say, what to say, which topic, and a lot of things. I'm very frustrated, very frustrated, very confused right now what to say. I've seen Ronit Magnani is doing good, and yeah, he's doing good, and he documented all those things. So Ronit Magnani is doing good, and yeah, Ronit Magnani is doing good, and you know, and I am always get inspired by him, and because at so much of young age he's doing very good, and I'm very confused right now at the age of 22. But it doesn't matter the age, but it matters how to deal with it, right? I'm not getting the way to deal with my life, with myself, and I just I'm not getting anything. I'm getting stuck. I'm not earning. My project is going. My project is delaying. You know, and and due to the delaying of work, due to the delaying of my project, I am unable to get paid from the client, my biggest concern is right now is earning right now. My biggest is concern, and for that I am trying my level best to into web designing, and I'm also want to document my life, that what I'm doing right now, because of course it feels good when when you have achieved something, and then you look back in these kind of a videos where your life is got stuck, and you were trying to figuring out. My life is right now is stuck, everything is not going the way I want to. I'm not actually, the whole point is I'm not earning. My project is getting delayed day by day, day by day, day by day. I'm not getting the details of my project, and I'm not pointing my client. I'm just pointing my life. I'm not cursing, or I'm not blaming anyone anything, but I'm just documenting that I am stuck. I don't know what to do. There are a lot of things that I want to do, but how to do? Actually, I'm very confused, right? The whole point is I'm very confused. I'm very frustrated right now. You can see I'm not able to speak because there are a lot of things going inside my head, and I'm not able to speak all those things at once, even in the sequence, because I don't know the sequence, what to speak, what not to speak. I just don't know. I want to do copywriting, Facebook ads, and all those things. I want to earn. I actually want to do affiliate marketing, but that requires a lot of effort, and I am not ready right now. Ready means actually I do not possess that much of patience, and yet, and but I am doing my best in term of web designing, and I have to learn a lot, because the kind of website my client want me to build is very big, because he's going big, his business is going big, and the website is on me. So it is very big opportunity, as well as I am very nervous. I am I'm very confused right now. Very confused. Very confused I'm right now. Don't know what to do. If you are watching this video, Ashwani Verma, the future Ashwani Verma, the best version of Ashwani Verma, or the best version of myself. If you are at the good place, I'm hoping you should be on the good place. You should be doing good. Yes, I'm talking to you. Actually, I'm talking to me, the future version of I'm talking to you, that if you are in a good place, I'm very happy, and I'm waiting to get there as soon as possible. So if you are seeing this video, Ashwani Verma, the future Ashwani Verma, I just want to say that don't let your uh, don't let yourself at the sky. Always be humble, be grounded, and whatever problem is coming on your way in the future, just deal with it with calm. Just believe in yourself, your family, in Almighty God, and He's protecting all of us. I'm very confused right now. If you are confused too, the future Ashwani Verma, Life is all about confusion. Very confused. Very confused. What to do, what not to do. If this video is seen by Gary Vee, thank you so much for everything. I'm very confused. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna do something. Something. So yeah, bye. Have a good day. And also Aman Dhatruwal. He's a fab. He's fab. 22. What? He's fab. I am also getting inspired by him too. I also want to do something like crazy, man. But I'm not able to do right now because I'm not earning. That is why I'm not able to put my money on put or do anything which requires money. First of all, I have to earn, and for that my client have to send me the details. I'm very confused what to do, what not to do. Let's bye. Sorry. Bye. Have a good day, good night. Whenever you are watching this video, this is Ashwini Verma signing off. Bye.